Here is how to make low-carb air fryer onion rings that are insanely light, crispy, and never greasy. To make these air fryer onion rings, begin by slicing a large onion into quarter-inch rounds. Then, gently pull apart the slices to create individual onion rings. Now, whisk the eggs with 1 tablespoon of coconut flour and whisk until the ingredients are blended. In the other bowl, combine a ½ cup of coconut flour, 3/4 cups of shredded Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a pinch of salt to taste, and a pinch of ground black pepper, and give the ingredients a good mix. Now, using a fork, immerse each onion ring entirely in the beaten egg mixture. Then transfer the egg-coated onion ring into the coconut flour mixture, making sure they are covered really well. Then, carefully transfer the coated rings into an air fryer basket in a single layer. Air fry the onion rings in batches at 380 degrees Fahrenheit or 195 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. At about the 5-minute mark, carefully flip the onion rings and place them back in the air fryer. The onion rings are ready when they are crispy and golden brown. If you like this low-carb air fryer onion ring recipe, then check out also how to make these absolutely delicious 4-ingredient low-carb and buttery keto shortbread cookies here. Check it out now.